Hi, kagalgalans out there. We have here the winners, the first ever winner of Tomboy Philippines. Of course, of Gel, Pao, Army, Kit, and JC. Siyempre, sino ba makakalimot sa mga ito? First, for Gel, how does it feel na magbibigay ka na ng corona? After
I'm very excited, and at the same time, it's kind of sad because the year already passed. But again, it's an exciting opportunity for others to enjoy what I've enjoyed in the past.
Sa 1 year na yun, Pao, ano yung pinakamagandang experience na na-experience mo na gusto mong i-share sa mga susunod na batch?
Confidence yung nadagdag sa amin mga candidates, and siguro yung samahan na hindi talaga makakalimutan kahit tapos na yung patimpalak na sinalihan namin. Yung pagkakaroon ng kaibigan na totoo kahit na sa likod na ng camera.
So, do you think, Arby, yung mga pinakita mo mga pasabog, then, ay meron kang successor na magiging pasabog, then may nakikita ka na dyan, mga pasabog na mga candidates?
Talagang gwapo talaga ang mga tomboy dito sa Pilipinas. I'm seeing a lot of potential, especially talent-wise, kasi I've heard na a lot of them are dancing, a lot of them sing. So I'm really excited, especially sa singing, to hear their voices, and kung may tatapat ba sa lalim ng boses ko.
And how about you? Do you think sa 1 year na yun, na pinaglaban ng Tomboy Philippines, you already achieved it?
Yes.
What do you think about it?
Yes naman po, especially po like nandito po kami ngayon, isa sa mga inspirasyon din po sa mga katomboyans, ayan, and ayun po.
What about you, JC? Ikaw, medyo shy type ka yan since the day 1 of last year's Tomboy Philippines. Now, do you think you already gained that confidence, and do you think you already achieved what you should achieve?
Actually, after the pageant, nagkaroon po ako ng opportunity na makausap sila Sir Julius and Christine Babaw. So, nagkaroon po kami ng opportunity na gawin ko into action yung naging advocacy ko. Kaya, mas naging popular yung Tomboy Philippines. Kumbaga sa advocacy namin na gawa ko siya. Kaya, masaya yung naging experience.
Jenny, do you think mas guwapo yung mga candidates of, or is it the first batch or the second batch na mas guwapo, mas palaban? What do you think?
Siyempre, bias ako sa batch pa rin namin. Pero, meron kami nakikita na talaga may favorite na nga kami. May favorite na kami kung sino, pero hindi na namin papangalanan.
Do you think, Michelle, yung tunay bang pinaglaban mo for 1 year, I think, do you think we already achieved it for the tomboys out there, the tomboys and the transgender men?
I guess having new candidates right now is a clear answer that we already achieved somehow, because there's more people supporting us and more tomboys who wants to join the pageant. So I guess that's a good voice that we have this support from them. I know that there are more that Tomboy Philippines can do, and that's something that you have to wait for, because maybe this next season there's more.
Just what's the next project for Pao? Because you being an influencer and being a social media celeb, what's next for you? After putting that crown already, what's next for Pao?
Sa ngayon po kasi nagbabalik pa ako ng oras sa family ko, sa girlfriend ko, yes po, until now. And sa business, syempre. Kasi ang haba rin po talaga nung panahon na nalaan namin sa Tomboy Philippines. Kaya medyo napabayaan yung business. Pero ngayon nagbabalik na. So marami ng project na ilalabas and mga products.
And more I think contents to come, di ba? Yung mga contents yung mga talaga inspirational naman. What are you looking for a winner of this season of the Tomboy Philippines 2.0? What is the specific quality of a winner, do you think?
I think a specific quality na I would look for if I was even chosen to judge for this competition, I would look for someone who's really advocates for our type of people, na meron talagang plan and meron talagang image sa mga ano pang pwede niyang gawin aside sa pageantry, na ipakita talaga sa mundo ang galing ng mga tulad namin. Someone who could break the stereotypes further sa mga nagawa na namin ngayon.
So can you please invite everyone who's dumugin at punuin ng Skydo?
Yes, so actually right before the Sky Dome, upcoming Pride March, of course, sa June 28, abangan lahat ng candidates of Tomboy Philippines Year 2 as well as the winners. Of course, iangat din natin yung Pride flag natin. And of course, sa Tomboy Philippines po, the preliminary is to be announced when, but the coronation night, I think that's going to be on October 25 sa Sky Dome.
The historic Tomboy Philippines first ever. O yeah, di ba? Na nagbigay ng trending at syempre inspiration. Kaya ganyan kadami at kapuksa ang ating candidates for this season. So we will gonna be calling it Tomboy Philippines Puksaan 2.0. Okay. So congratulations again to the mga na-achieve ninyo and good luck to the next events or mga mangyayari pa sa inyong buhay. Thank you very much.
you.
Thank you po. Thank you po.